Bitcoin price prediction. Is Michael Saylor's strategy going mainstream? On-chain data points to more accumulation. Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. About author. Arslan Butt is an experienced webinar speaker, market analyst, and content writer specializing in crypto, forex, and commodities. He provides expert insights, trading strategies, and in-depth analysis. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 4 hours ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin, $BTC, is trading at $116,030, with a 24-hour volume of $47.5 billion and a market cap of $2.31 trillion. The world's largest cryptocurrency continues to dominate headlines, but much of today's institutional narrative can be traced back to one figure, Michael Saylor. In August 2020, Saylor, then CEO of MicroStrategy, now simply Strategy, shifted from being a software executive to a global symbol of Bitcoin adoption. At the time, he allocated $250 million of the company's cash reserves into Bitcoin, citing inflation risks and dollar weakness. That single move reshaped corporate finance, marking the largest Bitcoin purchase by a public company and setting a precedent others have since followed. MicroStrategy didn't stop there. Within months, it added $175 million, $50 million, and another $650 million financed through convertible notes, quickly amassing a billion-dollar Bitcoin portfolio. For Saylor, Bitcoin wasn't a gamble but a hedge against monetary debasement. He called it capital preservation, famously comparing Bitcoin to Manhattan in cyberspace. Rare, unbreakable, and global. Critics called it reckless, pointing to volatility and debt financing risks. But supporters said it was genius. Saylor himself acknowledged irony in the fact that he once dismissed Bitcoin in 2013, tweeting it would go the way of online gambling. He later called that post the most costly tweet in history, as MicroStrategy transformed into Bitcoin's largest corporate holder. Corporate expansion and market influence. From 2020 onward, Saylor doubled down, using structured financing tools to scale holdings. By early 2021, the firm had borrowed more than $2 billion to add to its position. Through dollar-cost averaging, MicroStrategy continued to buy during downturns, reinforcing the view that Bitcoin was a generational store of value. The impact was dramatic. Between 2020 and 2024, Strategy stock outpaced the S&P 500 and even Bitcoin itself at times. Investors no longer valued it primarily as a software firm but as a de facto Bitcoin proxy. By early 2025, the company held over 2% of Bitcoin's fixed supply, nearly 500,000 coins worth more than $50 billion. This aggressive accumulation intensified competition for Bitcoin's limited supply. In the first 5 months of 2025 alone, corporate and institutional buyers spent over $25 billion on Bitcoin. MicroStrategy's June 2025 purchase of 10,100 BTC, worth $1.05 billion, further cemented its role as the playbook for corporate treasury allocation. But the strategy wasn't without controversy. Funding these purchases through debt and equity raised questions about dilution and financial risk. Analysts debated whether MicroStrategy had built-in resilience or fragility into its balance sheet. What's clear is Saylor forced Wall Street to think of Bitcoin as a mainstream treasury asset, not a fringe one. Bitcoin BTC/USD, technical outlook and future forecast. The Bitcoin price prediction remains bullish, as BTC's technicals support the accumulation narrative. Currently at $116,000, BTC just broke out of the descending channel that had capped momentum since mid-August. Above the 50-day EMA at $114,547, and we have bullish momentum. Below the 200-day EMA at $93,704, and we have a strong long-term floor. A bullish engulfing pattern near support confirmed renewed buying interest, followed by a breakout candle that closed above the resistance. RSI sits at 59, showing positive momentum without tipping into overbought territory. If Bitcoin sustains above the $116,000 pivot, immediate resistance sits at $119,500, with the next target at $122,200. A rejection, however, could lead to a retest of $114,800 or even $110,150, provided the higher lows pattern remains intact as long as BTC stays above $112,000. For traders, a tactical long entry above $116,000 with stops under $114,000 offers a favorable risk-reward setup, targeting $119,500 and $122,200. For longer-term investors, this may be the early stage of a broader rally, with projections toward $130,000 gaining credibility if accumulation trends persist. Summing up, on-chain data backs this outlook. Exchange reserves continue to decline as institutions withdraw coins into cold storage, while whale wallets exhibit consistent net inflows. Combined with Saylor-style corporate adoption, the supply squeeze narrative is hard to ignore. Looking ahead, the question isn't just whether Bitcoin will rally, but how far Saylor's strategy will ripple across industries. If more companies add Bitcoin to their treasuries, the institutional floor could rise significantly, setting the stage for Bitcoin to move into six figures. For now, Bitcoin is both a speculative asset and an experiment. But if Saylor is right, his playbook may not just be bold but revolutionary for global capital management. Pre-sale Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper, combines BTC security with Solana speed. Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper, is positioning itself as the first Bitcoin native Layer 2 powered by the Solana Virtual Machine, SVM. Its goal is to expand the BTC ecosystem by enabling lightning-fast, low-cost smart contracts, decentralized apps, and even meme coin creation. By combining BTC's unmatched security with Solana's high-performance framework, the project opens the door to entirely new use cases, including seamless BTC bridging and scalable dApp development. The team has put strong emphasis on trust and scalability, with the project audited by Consult to give investors confidence in its foundations. Momentum is building quickly. The pre-sale has already crossed $15.3 million, leaving only a limited allocation still available. At today's stage, Hyper tokens are priced at just $0.012905, but that figure will increase as the presale progresses. You can buy Hyper tokens on the official Bitcoin Hyper website using crypto or a bank card. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Solana by the end of 2025. Crypto price prediction today, September 12th. XRP, Cardano, Ethereum. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Solana by the end of 2025. Shiba Inu price prediction. Millionaire crypto trader predicts parabolic meme coin boom, $1 just the start for SHIB. Blockchain news. From ChatGPT to autonomy, AI agents reshape crypto trading overnight. For days ago, by Rachel Wolfson. Price analysis. Dogecoin price prediction. ETF launch could spark meme supercycle. Will Doge be the first to fly? 16 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Why the October 18, 25 SEC deadlines could trigger a breakout. 3 hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. For days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. For days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? For days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Ben Beto.